Once, not so long ago, a little girl named Sakina was looking for her Baba. She was just like any other child, kind, curious, and full of love. But one day she lost her father, Imam Hussein, in the land of Karbala. She was tired, hungry. Her tiny feet walked miles. At night she'd whisper,
"Where are you, Baba? I miss you."
Many children feel like Sakina, missing someone they love, feeling alone in the dark. But Sakina never stopped talking to Allah. Even with tears, she believed, "My Baba may be far, but my Allah is near." If you ever feel scared or miss someone deeply, remember little Sakina. She showed the world that even in pain, faith brings light.